If you are into healthy fruits, then pomegranate would be the best choice for you. Because the fruit is packed with powerful plant compounds and a lot of nutrients. Drinking pomegranate juice regularly may help you overcome many serious illnesses like cancer, heart disease, arthritis, and other inflammatory conditions. But to process pomegranate, you have to deal with its clusters of fleshy gem-like seeds inside. So, it's difficult to make pomegranate juice without a juicer. A pomegranate juicer is different from other fruit/vegetable juicers in the market. You need to look for specific attributes and specifications in your juicer for pomegranate. Though there are a lot of options regarding the type of machine you are looking for.
Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best pomegranate juice machine. So let's get started. Number 5. Commercial Pomegranate Juicer. Commercial Citrus Pomegranate Juicer is a professionally built quality juicer that comes with black and antique bronze-made cast iron and 18/8 stainless steel. Very much durable and safe to use. The ergonomic rubberized handle is easy to grip and can withstand 2,300 psi of load. It can squeeze the most juice possible out of oranges, limes, pomegranate, and more. With its heavy base and suction feet, you can have maximum stability and security during operation. Also, the longer handle can generate extra leverage so that maximum load can be generated with a little effort. The detachable parts are dishwasher safe, so it's easy to clean. Number 4. Zulay Extra Tall Pomegranate Juicer. Zulay Extra Tall Pomegranate Juicer is a professional quality extra tall efficient juicer. The machine can extract a maximum amount of juice from lemons, oranges, limes, pomegranate, and other grapefruits juicer. It can fit a 32 to 30 ounce tumbler under it to receive the juice directly. The handle is comfortable and provides you a firm grip so that you can have the easiest citrus juicing experience. This juicer also features a durable heavy-duty cast iron with an ergonomic design. So, it's good for frequent use and lasts long. The mechanism of this juicer uses leverage and gravity to do the job. So, with a little effort, you can extract a great quantity of juice from your pomegranate. The juicer has a 5-inch diameter cup allowing it to juice various types and sizes of fruits. The detachable parts are dishwasher friendly with easy cleaning. So, you can focus more time on juicing than cleaning. The rubber feet provide stability for your juicer during operation. Number 3. Excelvan Hand Press Pomegranate Commercial Juicer. Excelvan Hand Press Citrus Commercial Juicer is great for easy operation and maximum efficiency. Can squeeze the most juice without causing any pulp impurity from pulpy fruits like pomegranates. It features a tough cast iron construction that lasts long and provides maximum durability. Simple and easy operation. Just you have to place your fruit in the device. For large fruits, cut it in half, then press down on the handle. Like that, you will get a fresh juice to enjoy. You don't have to worry about its health and security, because the juicer is admitted by the American FDA. Easy toppling with its thickened pedestal. The machine saves your labor with its gravity-aided squeezing technology. For ease of cleaning, the strainer and cone can be simply removed. Number 2. Zulay Professional Pomegranate Juicer. Zulay Professional Citrus Juicer is a heavy-duty and most efficient pomegranate juicer. Extracts most juice possible with less effort. It has a comfortable firm grip handle that helps you to juice more efficiently than other juicers. The juicer is a commercial-grade hand press extractor that is very much durable. Because it's made of cast iron with an ergonomic design. It uses leverage and gravity to squeeze your fruits, so a little effort can do the job for you. Can process a variety of small or large fruits and veggies with its 5-inch diameter cup. The cleaning procedure is easy and simple. The detachable parts are dishwasher safe and assembly is also simple. For stability, it has rubber feet that stays firmly in place while juicing. Number 1. Focus Foodservice 97306 Juicer Press. Focus Foodservice 97306 Juice Press is a highly efficient pomegranate juicer with a lot of advantages. The juicer is very much durable with its cast iron construction. So, the product can endure heavy use and lasts long. Its enamel finish resists citrus acids, corrosion, and pitting. The rubber handles deliver the perfect grip for trouble-free juicing. The machine also features rubber suction cup feet that stabilize your juicer for safe operation. You can work with big-sized containers because the juicer has a large opening between its legs. For better stability, it features a wide base. The juicer has a noise-free operation. Stainless steel perforated strainer avoids any kind of rust or other defects during your use time. Also, the press is constructed for maximum pressure with minimal effort. So, you can make more juice with this juicer without much effort. That was our list of the top 5 best pomegranate juice machine just for you.